Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2020 Lexus NX300 Maintenance Light Reset. We are going to use these buttons over here: up, down, left, right, middle for enter, and back. And we're going to be using that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position. And if you have the push start, go ahead and press it twice without your foot on the brake. Now when you get here, go ahead, as you can see, every time you see this message, go ahead and press back, and you can also see that maintenance is required. And then when you get here, go ahead and click right until you find your page, which is here. And when you get here, go ahead and scroll down all the way down till you find vehicle setting, enter on it. Go ahead and scroll down to schedule maintenance, scroll up to yes, enter on yes. Now go ahead and go back, press back. You also need to reset the oil maintenance, scroll up to yes, enter on yes. And there you go, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.